Today's video is on the top 3 best stand mixers of 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I have included affiliate links below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment on your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 3, Instant Pot 6 Speed Stand Mixer. The Instant Pot Stand Mixer is an affordable kitchen appliance designed to take your culinary experience to new heights. The mixer boasts a 400-watt motor that can tackle any mixing challenge thrown at it. With up to 6 mixing speeds and a convenient pulse function, the Instant Pot Mixer helps to easily achieve any consistency you desire for your favorite recipes. Whether you are kneading dough for cookies or cake, or you're whipping up some silky meringue, this stand mixer has you covered. The stand mixer is made from lightweight yet durable materials. Its ABS housing is designed for both durability and portability. Its overall design is also impressive. It has a tilt head design that allows you easy access to the mixing bowl so you can seamlessly add ingredients as the mixer does its job. The design also allows you to easily remove the bowl without disrupting your creative flow. Its planetary mixing operation prevents uneven mixing of ingredients and guarantees a thorough and consistent blend for flawless results. There is a removable pouring shield that helps prevent messes by keeping ingredients within the bowl. The 6.3 quart mixing bowl is large enough to mix large batches of dough, making it perfect for a large family or parties and gatherings. The mixer comes with a versatile mixing paddle, a whisk for your favorite light, airy creations, a handy removable pouring shield, and a sturdy dough hook. The Instant Pot 6 Speed Mixer is sure to elevate your culinary creations to a new level of perfection. It is a testament to precision, power, and efficiency. Get it today on Amazon by clicking the link in the description below. Number 2, Best Overall KitchenAid Classic Series Tilt Head Stand Mixer. Take your culinary experience to even higher heights of perfection with the KitchenAid Classic Series Stand Mixer. The mixer is built to last. It comes in a durable stainless steel construction that can handle the rigors of demanding culinary experiences. One standout feature we liked is its 59 touch points that are meticulously placed around the mixer's bowl, ensuring every ingredient is incorporated seamlessly for the best results every time. The 4.5 quart stainless steel bowl can hold up to 8 dozen cookies in one batch, enough to feed a large family or a small crowd. The machine is also designed with a tilt head, which allows you access to the mixing bowl so you can add ingredients with ease. The design also allows for easy bowl removal. There is also a lock feature with which you can lock the head in place when mixing for uninterrupted culinary creativity. With up to 10 mixing speeds, you have a variety of possibilities for getting your desired textures for your favorite recipes. From mixing ingredients together on the stir to whipping cream at speed 8, you are sure to get thorough ingredient incorporation every time. Apart from the 4.5 quart bowl, the KitchenAid Classic Mixer comes with a coated flat beater, a 6-wire whip, and a coated dough hook for flawless dough preparation. It works with more than 10 other attachments, which you can buy separately and prepare juicy burgers, veggie noodles, ice cream, and fresh pasta, among other foods. Check out the link below for more information. Number 1, our pick, KitchenAid Artisan Series Tilt Head Stand Mixer. This is another culinary masterpiece from KitchenAid, sure to take your culinary game to the next level. It is a symphony of versatility and style, providing you with limitless possibilities for your culinary creations in the kitchen. With more than 15 optional attachments, there is almost nothing you cannot prepare with this stand mixer. From meat grinders, vegetable spiralizers, and ice makers to pasta makers, the machine offers you an array of options to prepare your meals exactly the way you want them. The KitchenAid Artisan Series Stand Mixer boasts a spacious 5-quart stainless steel bowl that can mix dough for up to 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in one batch. That's more than enough capacity to feed a large family a small gathering. Like in the previous product, the Classic Series mixer, KitchenAid incorporates the innovative 59-point planetary mixing action that ensures ingredients are thoroughly mixed with 59 touch points per rotation. So whether you want a gentle fold or a vigorous knead of your ingredients, your culinary creations are going to be infused accordingly and with finesse and precision. The machine comes in a durable zinc construction, and the blades are made of high-grade stainless steel, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of even the busiest and most demanding kitchens. With up to 10 mixing speeds, you are sure to always get the right consistency in your ingredients. The mixer is also easy to use. It has convenient control knobs, and the mixing bowl is removable. You can easily take the parts apart for cleaning, and reassembly is also easy. So go ahead and get this versatile stand mixer today. Whether you are an experienced chef, an aspiring home cook, or just like preparing meals for your family and friends, this mixer is poised to become an indispensable ally for you in the kitchen. You wanted the best. You got it. That's it for the top 3 best stand mixers of 2024. For more product info, check the affiliate links. We offer a free ebook, 17 Amazon hacks that will help you find the best product at the price you want. Make sure to visit our website, toppick3.com, to pick up your free copy.